Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily and I talk a lot about Salesforce. Today we're going to go over how to create a text field. Now, there are tons of different types of text fields when it comes to Salesforce, and there's different rhymes and reasons to use each type of text field. Some come with their own limitations or special features. But let's go ahead and jump into setup. And I'm going to go to a custom object that I already created, which is going to be project. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to go into project and then into fields and relationships. Then I'm going to click new. All right. So here we choose the field type. This one is going to be the text field. So this is going to allow what it says here allows users to enter any combination of letters and numbers. So there is a limitation on characters here. So just keep that in mind when you come up with whatever reason you're going to use this for. So let's go ahead and click next. So I am going to have this be the next steps. So when we have a project, what's the next step to be done? Okay, and we're going to choose the max length for the number of characters that we will allow for this. You can, I believe it's 256 for the number of characters. I do want to have that be the limit here, just so then we're not limiting people if they are very verbose. However, I want to have this be a text field rather than like a text area long field, just so then we can have it be pretty brief as compared to other types of text fields. So then when we're on the project, we can just, or on the project record, we can just easily see what the next step is for the project. So I'm going to have this be 256. Awesome. So now we can require this field in order to save the record. For this scenario, I'm going to say yes. This is a developer org, so I'm not really worried about whatever anyone else thinks. If you are doing this in production, worry whatever everyone else thinks and understand what your client wants. Okay, we can allow or disallow different duplicate values, and then there's some intricacies here if it's case sensitive or not. I am going to just leave that blank. I don't care if it's the same, just because that's what the scenario lends itself to. All right, it is 255 is the limit. I was very close. Okay, I'm going to change that, and then we're going to go forward here. Great. It's going to be visible for everyone. Everyone can edit it. There's the visible and the read-only. Read-only means that you can't edit it. Visible means that you can see it. So if read-only is off, then you can edit it if it's visible. If it's both are off, then you can't see it. And you can change this for different profiles. Okay, I'm going to click next. I'm going to add this to the project layout. Hit save. All right, so now we have created that. Next step here. And I'm going to go to the front end of Salesforce to show you. Now, sometimes this can take a very long time. I refresh the page to hopefully get it going. I am going to go to the project object. Okay, and try to click new. Hopefully next steps will show up. And it is showing up. So we have the project name. We've got me as the owner. I'm a cute little bear here. And then we have the next step that is required with the little asterisks there. So that is how you create a text field. Now, just be really careful with what you allow for this as the scenario. It would be a shame if you had to change this type later on. So just keep that in mind. That could be pretty tricky if it's changing the type of this field to one that's not compatible with keeping the data. That would be really unfortunate. There are ways that you can, download your field data and then re-upload it. But that's just my quick warning to you. But I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like, subscribe. You can connect with me on LinkedIn and Twitter at EmilyCallMBA. You can check out the courses on Salesforce Upskill, Udemy Business, as well as LinkedIn Learning. Thank you so much, and I will catch you guys in the next one.